News update coming in from the Supreme Court, where the top court has asked the centre to include the suicide death cases, death cases of COVID-positive patients within its ambit. The centre has assured the court that it will re-examine the issue. In an affidavit filed earlier, the centre had said that deaths occurring within 30 days from the date of testing will be treated as deaths due to COVID. And deaths occurring due to poisoning, suicide and accident will not be considered as COVID deaths, even if COVID-19 is an accompanying condition. Meenakshi joins us for more on this. Meenakshi, after the government filed an affidavit, the Supreme Court still has certain perhaps suggestions and concerns over what the government has said.
Well, yes, Aarti, but at the same time, we have to underline the fact that Supreme Court has also expressed satisfaction with the centre's decision on COVID-19 death certificates for granting compensation. But like you said, there are 3-4 issues as per the Supreme Court's assessment which remain to be sorted out, including that of suicidal death cases arising out of COVID pandemic being the fundamental reason, and the Supreme Court feels such cases also has to be brought in within the ambit of COVID deaths. Supreme Court went on to state that it is prima facie of the view that such suicidal cases of COVID positive patients also be treated as COVID death. So on that particular point, the central government has assured the top court that it will re-examine the issue. And in today's proceedings, the Supreme Court has also recorded the submissions of the solicitor, Mr. Tushar Mehta, who went on to submit that as far as other prior directions of the Supreme Court is concerned, order dated 30th June, namely the guidelines that were issued for determining compensation under Section 12 of the Disaster Management Act as laid down in Para 16, Subclause A, that shall also be complied with within the next date of hearing, which today has been affixed as the 23rd of September. We are talking about the compliance affidavit that the Government of India was asked to submit by the Supreme Court on an earlier occasion pertaining to the same issue. So on that issue, while there are areas that have met with the satisfaction of the Supreme Court, primarily suicidal deaths arising out of COVID is something that the top court wants for government to include within the ambit of COVID deaths.
Meenakshi, thanks so much for bringing us that.